Hello guys, welcome to my channel Basic Home Tech. If this is your first time watching this channel, please kindly press the subscribe button, the notification button, so that anytime we release a new video you will receive a notification to watch. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to scan your TV for your channels, both the satellite and the antenna.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Before you start scanning, please kindly make sure that you have your antenna and your dish already installed. You press your settings, all settings, program tuning and settings. Let's just go to the auto tuning. Okay, so as you can see, we have antenna, we have cable, we have satellite. So the antenna has to do with the normal antenna, as we can see that's the antenna, and this is how the antenna should look like, or a bit different from this. Then we have our the cable. In Ghana we don't use cable, so don't select the cable. Then we have the satellite. The satellite has to do with the dish, so you have to select the antenna, you have to select the satellite too as well. It's already selected, so you just have to come to the next, press OK. Then digital only search, you select only that one, then you go to next. Don't change anything here, you just go to the next. We have to take the skip scramble channel, so that it will skip all the channels that is locked. Then blank search, then next. It is done. So report or try done, so you just go to done.